Changing your email address in Claude is a bit different than other platforms because of how Anthropic handles account security. You can't always do it yourself, so let's look at the 3 ways to handle this based on what shows up in your specific account. First, let's check your settings to see if you have the rare Direct Edit option. Head over to claude.ai in your web browser and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your profile icon in the bottom corner and click it. From there, open your settings and navigate to the Account section. You want to look very carefully for an email field or a small button that says Edit right next to your current address. If you see it, you're in luck. Just follow the prompts to enter your new email. You'll usually need to check that new inbox immediately because they'll send a verification link to make sure the address is valid before the switch is finalized. Now, if that option isn't there, don't worry, most users won't see it. In that case, your fastest move is to simply create a new account. You'll want to log out of your current session and sign up fresh using your new email address. The important thing to remember here is that your data goes both ways. While you get a fresh start, your previous chats and project notes won't move over to the new account automatically. If you have important conversations you need to save, go back into your old account first. Manually copy and paste those specific prompts and responses into a document so you don't lose your history. If you absolutely must keep your original account data and history tied to a new email, you'll need to contact support. Go to the Claude Help Center and submit a formal request. In your message, you need to be very clear and provide 3 specific things: your current email, the new email you want, and a brief reason for the change. Anthropic reviews these on a case-by-case basis, so it might take a little time for them to process it. Just keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder for their confirmation. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.